Hey guys, this is NIMISHA KADAM and I have been studying in Karnavat classes since 11th standard. So now that I am in 12th standard and with all of this COVID pandemic that has been going on around the world, I was a little scared for this crucial year of mine. But Karnavat classes had my back. So they have started these online lectures which are being held every day and for all of the subjects. The professors are trying to make this experience really interactive as well as interesting for us students by using innovative ways to teach us with all of the possible resources that are available to them. For example, the professors are using stylus to draw accurate graphs for economics, and for accounts they are using Excel sheets, which is amazing. The professors share their screen, which makes it very easy for us students to grasp onto the topics, and if at all we have any doubts, we can easily contact the professors that are available for us every time and can be contacted through WhatsApp as well. So now to create an even stronger base for us, they have started taking online tests which are subjective as well as objective for thorough revision of the students. And there are also offline lectures for the students that have been absent during the lectures, which comes really handy in this rainy season. Rest assured, I feel really confident that my studies are not lagging behind, all thanks to Karnavat classes and their amazing faculty for making this an amazing and memorable experience.